Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a fall get ready with me. I'm going to be getting ready and doing my makeup and everything. And I already moisturized my skin. I used the Tatcha brightening enzyme water cream, which I'm almost out of this. I really like it. I've used up like a lot. But $65 is a lot of money for a face cream, so I don't know. I got that in a Boxylux box, so yeah. But I'm going to start by priming my face with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I've went back to this since it ain't so hot outside or anything, and I'm not so oily. I don't need, like, heavy-duty oil control. It's warm in here. If I look red, that's why. And I really like this shirt that I have on. You'll see this in my next clothing haul, which I'm going to be filming right after this video. So, little sneak peek, this is in the clothing haul, this shirt. And for foundation, what will I be using? Is anyone surprised? The Believe Beauty foundation. Because in my vlogs, I've just been talking, I love this foundation. It's like a fave. And I just use, on a daily basis, I use a pump. But sometimes, if I want more coverage, I'll use a pump and a half. Today, I'm going to use a pump and a half because I just want, whoop. What did I just do? Dropping my entire life. Okay. And I just dot it around my face because that's easier. And then I'm using this effed up Wet n Wild brush. I really like this brush, but as you can see, it's really messed up. You can't see from back far, but once I get up close, it's a mess. Finally, I can film a video. I've had, like, since the baby's been here, there's just been so many family visiting and all that. And disclaimer, like, I don't have a baby. It's my little sister. Okay, I had to answer the phone, so I did my, powder off camera. And, okay, so now that all the interruptions are over, basically, I put on my concealer, and I used the Milani Conceal and Perfect, and I put on my face powder, the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light, which, it's not really light, it's more like a medium. And for bronzer, let's see. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Believe Beauty face palette, which I told you guys about this in the last video that I filmed, the review on this. And I'm going to be using this crown brush, this. I do actually like this bronzer, but it's not my favorite, but I like it. I haven't used this in a while, the vintage Jessica Leibskind rose gold highlight. I'll use that one. Then I'm going to, for blush, I might just use the one in the Believe Beauty palette because I really like that palette, actually. I really like that middle blush. It's really pretty. And now, I've been using a new brow product. I've been using the NYX Precision Brow Pencil, which is this different one. It's different from the micro brow. I lost one actually and had to replace this recently again, though I've been using it for like a month. And I have the color Espresso, which is my color. Let me brush my brows up real quick. And I haven't been plucking my brows as much as I normally did. I used to pluck them too thin, and I feel like I've been letting them be thicker and be more be my natural, pretty much my natural shape, and like how much thicker they are looks way better. Like I feel like I used to have them way too thin. And see, if I turn this on the side, I'm able to get like precision. It's not as thin as the micro brow, but it gives a more natural look, and it's like still has the precision that I want. I'm gonna use this Blushing Berries palette from Dose of Colors. And this has some really, really pretty berries in it. And I'm going to use the Violet Voss Essentials palette along with that. And the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids, which I wasn't going to, but now I guess I'm going to, because I was thinking, I'm like, oh, well, my shadows won't stay that long. So for a brow bone color, I guess I'm just going to use a face powder. Use any face powder that you have, but I'm just going to be using this Bare Minerals face powder since it's pressed. I'm going to use the matte side, which I've used a lot of, honestly. The shimmery side, I use it to touch up a lot, but I'm surprised I don't take it with me, because I use this almost every day to touch up throughout the day. Like if I get oily. And for transition color, I'm going to use that color right there on this Royal Nickel Moda crease brush. And on this e.l.f. crease brush, I'm going to take the color next to that one, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to end like in like little circular motions. I'm just going to blend that into the crease. Lower than that other color, but also like not as low as I'm going to put some deeper colors. These blend really well, honestly. Like, they blend super easily. So you take the other color and there you go. Soft blend. And now I'm going to take the color right next to that, which is this one, on this Coastal Scents, you know, that kind of MAC 217 type brush. If you have a MAC 217, then that's good. I've never personally bought the MAC 217. I always bought like the fake ones. And to do a blend. And I'm going to do the same thing on the lower lash line. And I'm just going to speed through that because it's going to be pretty fast. Okay, and now from the Violet Voss Essentials palette, They have a lot, there's a lot of really, really pretty shimmers in here, so I'm gonna grab the shimmery shade from this palette. The shimmery shades I'm gonna use from this palette. And I'm gonna take the color Cream, which is the lightest, like, highlight color, and put it in the inner corner. There we go. On the lid, the first color I'm going to take is the color Pink, right here. And then in the middle, I'm going to take Gold, which is this one right here. And on the outer part, I'm gonna take Plumberry. I'm gonna line my upper lash line with the NYX Faux Blacks Liner in Plumberry. I'm going to take this little liner brush and smudge that even more. And I'm going to put on lashes and liner and come back. Put on mascara, and for lips, I'm gonna do like a peachy lip because I feel like peach and plum look really good together. And this is the color Screenshot from Colourpop. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more videos from me, and I'll see you later. Bye.